Millions of Americans buy food every week without thinking twice about safety. But every year, food recalls remove products from stores across the country. Some recalls affect thousands of packages. Others affect millions. And when a recall happens, consumers often discover the warning after the product has already entered their homes. Today, we're exploring why food recalls happen, how they are discovered, and what every consumer should know. Food recalls can happen for many reasons. Bacterial contamination, packaging errors, undeclared allergens, manufacturing mistakes. Even a small problem discovered during testing can trigger a nationwide recall. Modern food systems are incredibly complex. One product may pass through farms, factories, distributors, warehouses, and retailers before reaching consumers. When a problem is found, companies must track every affected item quickly. While recalls sound alarming, they also show food safety systems working as intended. The goal is to identify risks before more people become affected. Technology and testing have improved significantly over the last decade. The next time you hear about a food recall, don't ignore it. Take a moment to check product information and stay informed. Because food safety isn't just the responsibility of manufacturers. It's something every consumer should understand. Food Pyramid, helping you understand what's really on your plate.